Hi everyone, BPat here. You might have been wondering where I've been the last few weeks, or maybe you never even noticed I was gone. Well, I've been working hard to improve all of my content's quality, and I'm ready to make the next step. Out with the old and in with the new. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be putting together my brand new sit-stand desk. This is my old setup if you guys haven't seen it yet. I love the desk, it's great, but I wanted to ultimately upgrade. I felt like I needed something new, something that'll help my back out a little bit, so I went with a sit-stand option. I'm gonna put the frame together. I'm getting the tabletop later today, and then we'll put it all together, see how it looks. All right, guys, enjoy. Alright guys, as you can see, we have disassembled the old setup. We're gonna start assembling the frame now, and let's get it. Now before I get started, let me just show you guys, I got the Fezibo. I got it on Amazon, I'll have it linked down below. It's a pretty good budget frame. Most of the time when you're looking at sit-stand desks, the frame are gonna be upwards of like $500 to $1,000. This one's about $300 in that range, so put the link down in the description. Check it out if you would like to do the same. Just got the tabletop from IKEA, about to throw it on the frame, and then we'll have our finished product. Let's do it. The beautiful desk is assembled. Now it's time to get things set up on the desk. I'm gonna get everything thrown on there, then I'll show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days using the desk, and all I can say is wow, this thing is incredible. I've been using the stand function for literally everything except for gaming. If you guys are in the market for a sit-stand desk, I would definitely recommend doing something like this. The total cost was about $500, which is actually pretty affordable considering most of the desks out there are over $1,000. Overall, I feel so much better when I'm standing. My back feels a little bit better, I stay focused, and it's just a whole different work environment. And if you guys are interested, I've been streaming so much on Twitch lately. Go ahead and hit the link in the description. Come follow me. We'll be hanging out playing Warzone, Valorant, all different types of games. It's an awesome time. Hope to see you guys there. And that has been it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like it. You know what to do. Peace out.